Hi, good morning everyone. So here I'm going to implement the car rental application. So in this application, this is a screen. These are the screens, is Figma screens. I will open in the Figma. This is a screenshot for the application. So in this application, I'm going to cover these modules. So first of all, splash screen, login, sign up, home screen. In the home screen, we display all the cars. What is the cars is available in the application. And from the home screen, we can favorite the car. And if you want to add a car, we can add a car also. This is a car ad. While adding the car, we fill all the information along with the locations and photos and the car details. So if you click on the home screen, that will display the next screen detail of the each car. And here we can book a car also and display the booking cars and profile, your profile and logout. This is a complete application. Application start from this class and application run here. So this in this flow, I'm going to cover these modules. In this splash screen, here we decide that so already you are logged into the application or not. So here we can check the authenticate or not. If it's a user authenticated, application is launched directly home screen with along with the below options. And if your user is not authenticated to the app, it directly so navigate to the login page. So that will write a code inside this splash screen. And this is a Figma. Here we have the all the screens. This is a logo also available and everything. This is a Figma screen. And next one is uh, this is API calls. So here in this API call, we can see the sign up, sign in, and add a car, the book a car, and favorite, unfavorite, delete a car. You can delete your car after adding, and you're getting the favorite cars and the bookings. Get car by user ID. So okay, this meaning is based on user ID, you'll get a particular car under the user, and the get all cars is what is available in the application. Get all car from the API. These are the postman collection. This is a design. Using this, will I'm going to implement the car rental application. This is overview of the application. So the videos is divided into different parts. So the total series is available in the one playlist. That is a car rental application. In that, there is a different parts is there. You can watch the part by one by one. I'm going to use the MVVM architecture, and the provider is the state management, and the DO is the package for the API call. Okay. So using this, I'm going to implement this application with us. Here, I will show you the provider, how the MVVM pattern and how the communication happen. In the between, I will add some repositories and service layer also. Okay, repository and plus service layer also in between that. Okay, so how the communication is between from view to model and model to repository, repository service, how the communication is going. Okay, I will show you the help of the some of the diagrams. Let me refer you. So So here MVVM pattern design. So here you can see the view layer and view model layer and data layer is three layers is there. Then the view layer, just we design the screen. Okay. In the view model, we write as some logic. Okay. The view, the view is informed to the view model. Okay. The actions, what are the actions you are performing in the view? It's informed to the view model. The view model is doing some logic part. The view model is connect to repository. Okay, is a repository is a decide. Okay, repository decide is a data is getting from the local database or remote or Firebase. Clear? Now in this example in the screen, the data source is here is local database and web services, right? Instead of that, instead of two, we can use three. Okay, in the future application also we are going to implement the Firebase, right? The repository layer is decide which data need to connect. either local database or web services or Firebase. Clear? So this is the total diagram of the application. Okay. So based on this, so please keep in mind this diagram. Okay. If anything, any feature divide into three parts, right? View model part, view model and repository and services. The layers is there. Okay. So in the repository, the view model is communicate to repository. In the repository is decide where you get a data. You are getting the data from the API or local database or Firebase. Okay, and in the repository will maintain the mock repository also. Why mock repository is for writing the unit test cases. Hope it's clear. Writing the unit test cases. Now repository is handling the all the ways, right? So that's why the repos I will write a repository class as an abstract class. Abstract class. In the abstract class is only define the methods. Okay. The implementation we can implement it based on the uh, sources. Clear. So if you want to do the abstract class same. For example, sign up is there. We'll create a one abstract method in the abstract class sign up. Okay. In implementation, come to the implementation, the sign up it is communicate to the Firebase. The sign up it's communicate to services, web services, like this, right? So we define the method in the abstract class. That implementation is based on the requirement. We'll create another two folders based on the requirement. Okay, another mock repository also. Sign up with the local data. Some will do some mocking to write a unit test cases. Okay, so don't confuse Andy. Okay, don't confuse. No, the Firebase is not part of web services. So he is purely this is REST APIs. Web service is purely REST APIs. Okay, the Firebase is a framework. And we can use the Firebase as a services. The internal the Firebase is not communicated through the HTTPs. So internal library through the library will call that everything. The- Okay, that package is available through the package we can directly that is not through the DO package. Okay, REST APIs it's communicate through the DO HTTP package, but come to the Firebase directly it's communicate internally with some of the packages, not through the DO HTTP package. Clear? Hope it's clear, everyone. Okay. So now this is a total structure of the our application. Based on the structure, we are going to create a folder structure. Now